Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easytalk Hub, the place where learning English feels natural and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to everyone listening today. This feels like a very special moment. I'm truly happy to be here with you all.
It really is special. Mark, do you know what today is?
Let me think for a second. Today is Wednesday, December 31st, 2025.
That's right. It means the year is almost finished.
Exactly. This is actually our final podcast episode of 2025.
Can you believe that?
Honestly, no. Time goes by so fast.
2025 has been a huge year for us.
It truly has. I feel a bit emotional today. We began this year with a small idea, and now look how far we've come.
I feel the same. We learned so much this year, and our listeners learned a lot too. Every week, we see people speaking English more confidently.
Yes, and before we share any news, there's something very important we want to say.
Absolutely. A very big thank you to everyone listening.
Thank you for every like on our videos and for every time you subscribed. Those small actions help our channel grow more than you know.
And thank you for the comments as well. I really love reading them.
Me too. Every morning, I enjoy my coffee while reading messages from our learners.
It's my favorite part of the day as well. Some people share stories about their families, others talk about their work. It truly feels like a community.
We see listeners from many countries around the world. When you share our podcasts with friends or family, it makes us incredibly happy.
Thank you for trusting us. We know learning English is a journey and it takes time.
That's true. And honestly, learning English is not always easy.
Yes, sometimes it can be very challenging.
English has difficult vocabulary and fast conversations. It can feel stressful at times.
Exactly. Like when you were tired working on that long report, or when I was stressed trying to choose the perfect blue dress for a wedding.
We share real-life moments because real life isn't perfect. Our goal is to teach real English for real situations.
That's what we believe in. Not only grammar rules, but how to speak with friends, manage daily life, and feel confident.
We're very grateful that you're learning with us even when the lessons feel a bit difficult.
You are all very brave. Speaking a new language takes courage, and we truly see your progress.
Yes, we're very proud of you. So, Anna, as 2025 comes to an end, what's next for 2026?
Oh, 2026. I'm very excited.
Next year will bring new challenges and big goals.
We're planning exciting projects for the Easytalk Hub. Better podcasts, fresh topics, new ideas, and maybe even a few surprises.
Surprises? I like the sound of that.
Me too. We want to bring high-quality English content to learners everywhere and improve our videos and stories.
So, everyone, please stay with us next year. Many new things are coming very soon.
It's going to be a great year. We want to be your English partners for a long time.
I'm ready for it. Are you ready, Anna?
Absolutely. I'm ready for the challenge.
I have my notebook and pen ready. Let's plan an amazing 2026.
Perfect. But before we say goodbye to 2025, let's quickly remember what we talked about today.
Good idea. We talked about how 2025 was a year full of learning and growth.
We also shared a big thank you for the likes, shares, and wonderful comments.
And we reminded everyone that learning English is a journey, not always easy, but we're here to help with real-life English.
We're also very excited about 2026, with new projects and surprises to help everyone improve their English.
It has truly been a year of growth and friendship. I feel very lucky to be part of this channel.
Me too, Mark. And now, this brings us to the end of 2025.
Thank you again for your time and trust. You are the reason we create these podcasts.
Before you go, please leave one last comment for 2025.
Tell us your favorite thing you learned this year.
Or share your English goal for 2026. We love reading your plans.
Don't forget to share this episode with a friend who is starting their English journey.
And we'll see you very soon in the new year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. See you in 2026.
Bye.
Bye-bye.